Reference. This question is also asked by one interviewers, and the question is we need to replace the vowel with any character. Any character means any alphabet, 1 2 3 4 5 or any number as well. So this is the question, and we will run it and we'll check it's working or not, then we will debug it. So first I'm running. Okay, it is checking. So what happening, it is replacing O, replacing O with W, O with W. So we'll run it and check how it is working. So in S what is there? Python. Python is a string in S. Okay. Now in from the Pythons, each and every item will come and it will check in vowel. Okay, in vowel. If it is in vowel, then it will come to here. Otherwise, it will go to here. Okay, in else part. So now check what is the empty. Empty res I put as a result. Res as a result. And I. What is the I? I is the first index value from the S. Okay. So I is P. Okay. So it will print the P. Then will come again next item Y. It will check Y in vowel. No. Then again it will come to the next, and similarly it will check for all the item those who have present in the string, and it will match with each and every character, and it will find the vowel. If it is vowel, where it will got the vowel, it will change into W and it will print the value. Okay, so we can see that we will get the answers Pythwn. Suppose here I putting A. So A also is a vowel, and we'll run it and check what happening. Okay, once again. So S. Okay. So now again loop is working one by one to get it the vowel, and they will replace with W, and we'll check it's working or not. Okay. So here will come O is true. So it is replace the O, and now it will come with N, and again it will come with A. Now it is again it's replaced with W. So here we can see that the Pythona is replaced with WW. So it is the correct answer for the interview purpose. Okay. Okay, so here some, so this is the I have taken one empty string as a result. Res is a variable. Okay, and here what I have done, in that variable res equal to res plus w, when it is the w, when it is matched with I value in vowel. Okay, so I will get it like that. So anything else? No. Okay, thank you for the watching.